Welcome to Powering Tomorrow, our intensive workshop on data, AI, and storage dispatch. This workshop is designed for professionals eager to harness the power of data and AI in the energy sector. Unleash the power of data and artificial intelligence to revolutionize energy management and storage. Join us for a 3-day intensive workshop packed with practical knowledge and hands-on experience. Day 1 covers data and hybrid basics, exploring energy signals, use cases, and essential metrics. Dive deep into solar, wind, net load, and price signals, understanding their role in intraday and day-ahead use cases. Learn about time-aware splits, feature engineering, and how to build strong baselines with persistence in single-layer LSTMs. Day 2 focuses on training the Transformer-LSTM model and advanced calibration techniques. Build and train a powerful hybrid forecasting model, combining Transformer for exogenous weather and LSTM for plant history with late fusion. Understand uncertainty with quantile heads, ensembles, and conformal calibration to generate P10, P50, and P90 outputs. On Day 3, we delve into forecast-to-storage dispatch, model predictive control, and real-world operations. Optimize battery storage with rolling horizon MPC, focusing on arbitrage, ramp smoothing, and peak shaving objectives. Explore real-world operations, MLOPs, and key performance indicators like cost savings and curtailment avoidance. So what will you gain from this comprehensive workshop? Benefit from live and recorded sessions, an e-certificate upon completion, and ongoing post-workshop query support. Gain invaluable hands-on learning experience to transform your skills in energy data and AI. Mark your calendars for these important dates and secure your spot. Registration for this workshop closes on November 17, 2025 at 4:30 p.m. IST. The workshop will run from November 17th to November 19th, 2025, starting at 5:30 p.m. IST each day. Don't miss this opportunity to power your future in the energy sector. Register now.